So I've just come outside tonight to go and pick someone up from work, and I was met with what seemed to be a flat battery. Biggest problem, car wouldn't start at all, and we had the normal steering code faults on here. Stuck in the scanner, and the voltage was higher than it was yesterday when we were looking at it and we were doing the other video, or one of the other videos. So it's obviously not a voltage problem on the battery. So I popped the bonnet to have a quick look and see if there was anything obvious. So I come out underneath, check the normal obvious things, connections on the negative, connections here, connections there, but I could actually smell something like it had been arcing. So I kind of lifted up the positive terminal, and just as I did that, I heard a little kind of click, like a little static something, you know, a little spark or a little arc or something like that. And what I noticed, just kind of as I grabbed it and just kind of tried to wiggle it, it kind of did it again a couple of times. And what it seemed that it was actually just a kind of a, not a dry joint, but maybe a relatively loose connection or something just under there. So I just really grabbed it, give it a little twist one way, another way, went back inside, give it a turn, all the dashboard lit up exactly as you'd hope and expect, and away it went, and it started perfectly. So maybe if you get a problem or you get back to your car one day and you can't start the car, just give that a go. Maybe try wiggling some of these joints, just this one, that one, and this one under here, because you never know, it might get you out of trouble. Like I say, the voltage is fine. I know the voltage is all good. Car's been out for a good run today as well. It's only a really little short video, but you know, hopefully that's the sort of one that might come in useful sometimes if you're stuck at the side of the road or you're trying to get home from work or whatever it might be. So if you found it useful, please do give us a like down below. Remember to subscribe coming up here now, so hopefully you can find your way back to these videos a bit easier if you ever get stuck on the side of the road and you need to do something like that. So thanks very much for watching. I really appreciate it. Have a great night, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.